Gravity filling valves dispense precise water volume into each bottle with zero spillage.
Accumulation tables organize bottle flow and maintain continuous supply to the high-speed filling line. Automated sensors verify every bottle contains the exact specified volume before capping. Vibratory feeders continuously sort.
Pure spring water emerges naturally from deep underground aquifers in protected mountain regions.
Protected collection systems ensure the water remains uncontaminated from source to processing facility. High-capacity pipelines transport thousands of liters per hour directly to the purification plant. Reception systems measure and regulate incoming water flow before entering the purification process. Automated screening systems remove any natural sediment before the water enters advanced filtration. Primary storage tanks hold thousands of liters, awaiting entry into multi-stage purification systems. Computerized pump stations precisely control water pressure and flow throughout the entire facility. High-pressure pumps propel water upward into towering filtration systems for comprehensive purification.
Multi-layer sand filtration removes suspended particles and organic matter from the incoming water. Then
Activated carbon filters absorb chlorine, odors, and organic compounds to ensure pure taste. Reverse osmosis membranes remove dissolved solids and microscopic contaminants at molecular level.
Ultraviolet sterilization eliminates bacteria and viruses without introducing any chemical additives.
Ozone treatment provides final disinfection while naturally decomposing into pure oxygen.
Microfiltration provides final polishing to achieve absolute clarity and purity standards.
Purified water is stored in sealed, sterile tanks, maintaining absolute purity until bottling.
Continuous automated testing ensures every parameter meets strict international quality standards.
Absolute final filtration guarantees no particle larger than 0.2 microns reaches the bottles.
The complete multi-stage purification system transforms natural spring water into pristine bottled water.
Precision dosing systems add essential minerals like calcium and magnesium for optimal taste and health. Static mixers ensure complete and uniform mineral distribution throughout every liter of water.
Dedicated quality control laboratories perform comprehensive testing on every production batch.
Every batch is tested for optimal pH balance and mineral conductivity to meet specifications.
Spectroscopic analysis confirms precise mineral content matches the target formulation perfectly.
Microbiological testing ensures complete absence of bacteria and microorganisms in the finished water.
Integrated monitoring systems track quality parameters continuously throughout the entire production process. Only after complete quality approval does the mineralized water proceed to the bottling line. PET preforms arrive as small test tube shapes, ready for transformation into full-size bottles. Automated feeding systems sort and align thousands of preforms for continuous blow molding production. Infrared heaters raise preform temperature to precise molding point while maintaining structural integrity. High-pressure air inflates heated preforms into full bottle shapes within 3 seconds. Rotary blow molding systems produce thousands of bottles per hour in continuous synchronized operation. Controlled cooling ensures bottles achieve proper structural strength and dimensional stability. Automated vision systems inspect every bottle for clarity, dimensions, and defects at high speed. Accumulation tables organize bottle flow and maintain continuous supply to the high-speed filling line.
Sterile air jets rinse each bottle interior, removing any dust before filling begins.
Precision transfer systems position each bottle perfectly beneath filling valves on the rotary filler.
Gravity filling valves dispense precise water volume into each bottle with zero spillage.
High-speed rotary fillers process up to 12,000 bottles per hour in continuous operation.
Automated sensors verify every bottle contains the exact specified volume before capping. Vibratory feeders continuously sort and deliver caps in perfect orientation to capping heads. Precision capping heads apply each cap with exact torque, ensuring perfect seal without damage.
Rotary capping systems seal bottles continuously, matching the high-speed filling rate perfectly.
Torque sensors test every cap, ensuring proper seal strength and product freshness protection.
Filled bottles flow smoothly toward labeling stations, where brand identity will be applied. Pre-printed label rolls containing brand identity and product information are loaded for application.
High-speed labeling machines apply and secure labels on thousands of bottles per hour.
Precision application ensures labels align perfectly with consistent positioning and smooth adhesion.
Vision systems verify label position and print quality, ensuring brand standards on every bottle. Automated grouping systems organize bottles into precise packs, ready for shrink-wrap packaging. Polyethylene film wraps around bottle groups before entering heat tunnels for shrinking. Heat tunnels shrink the film tight, creating secure, tamper-evident packs of bottled water.
Robotic packers efficiently load shrink-wrapped packs into shipping cases for distribution.
Cases are sealed and labeled with batch information, ensuring complete traceability.
Final inspections detect any foreign objects and verify case weight before distribution.
Robotic palletizers stack cases efficiently, creating stable pallets ready for warehouse storage.
Stretch wrapping secures pallets for safe handling and transportation to distribution centers. Climate-controlled warehouses maintain product quality until distribution to retailers nationwide.
From mountain spring to retail shelf, every bottle delivers pure refreshment to communities everywhere.